me, Gabby, again. And today I'm making slime. I already put the glue and the water inside, so let's just put the borax, and then I'm gonna put in the food. No, I can't. So guys, I'm gonna come back. So guys, I've got my food coming. So guys, it's turning into a beautiful ocean. Look how beautiful that sky. Now we're gonna add the borax. Oh my God. Nothing happened, guys. So we're okay. Just wait a minute, guys. I'm mixing it, guys. Oh my God. Mix. So guys, if you see it, oh, look at that. No, it's still not ready, so guys. Still not ready. And guys, Evan, are you gonna go watch the movie Wonder?
No.
I am. I hope it's beautiful.
Okay.
There's my brother, guys. I'm not gonna post this. Ow! Sorry, guys. That's my brother. He treats me bad. So, guys, I feel like this is the last bar activator. I don't know. I feel like it's not. Yeah, it doesn't make poking sound, guys. Yeah, so it's not done. There's some slime. Once you think it's ready, you can now start playing with it. Yeah, now it makes poking sound. Now you can take it out of the bowl or the thing that you made the slime in. Oh, mine's it. Yes. No, it's not stretchy. She's a boy. So guys, if you're wondering why I'm standing,